Hi everyone, today I'm opening this Build-A-Bear. My mum bought me online. So let's see what is inside. I want to see. It's so cute. It's got blue eyes and everything. It's so cute. And guys, there's something out. This is its thing. So I've got it will. So the name is Cinnamoroll because that's its real name. Guys, we got Hello Kitty PJs for them. It's so cute. And everything. And I'm gonna give you a fun fact about Cinnamoroll. Lots of people think he's a bunny, but it's actually a doggy. I think we should get him dressed. It's so cute. He's even got the cinnamon roll tail. Three, 2, 1. Isn't he so cute? He can even stand up and he's like, his tail's sticking out. It can't really fit. But I'm really happy. It's so cute. Oh, I'm gonna love him forever.